Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Remedy Credit Repair specializes in helping individuals improve their credit scores. They offer personalized credit repair services, analyzing credit reports to identify and address negative items such as late payments, collections, and charge-offs. Their team works closely with clients throughout the process, educating them about credit and providing strategies to maintain good credit health in the future. They dispute inaccurate or unverifiable information with credit bureaus and creditors, aiming to remove negative entries and boost credit scores. The company emphasizes transparency and clear communication, keeping clients informed of their progress and any updates regarding their credit reports. Remedy Credit Repair understands the impact of a strong credit score on various aspects of life, from securing loans and mortgages to renting an apartment and even obtaining favorable insurance rates. They strive to empower their clients with the knowledge and tools necessary to achieve their financial goals through credit improvement. Their approach involves a comprehensive review of credit history, identifying areas for improvement and challenging any questionable items on the report. By focusing on both removing negative marks and educating clients about credit management, Remedy Credit Repair aims to provide lasting positive changes to their clients' financial well-being. They offer various service packages to cater to individual needs and budgets, ensuring accessibility to their credit repair expertise. Furthermore, they offer free consultations to assess individual credit situations and provide tailored recommendations. This allows potential clients to understand their credit standing and explore how Remedy Credit Repair can assist them in achieving their credit goals. They highlight the importance of understanding your credit report and taking proactive steps to improve it, emphasizing that a better credit score can open up significant financial opportunities. Remedy Credit Repair is committed to helping clients navigate the complexities of credit repair and achieve long-term financial success through improved credit health. They are dedicated to providing individualized support and guidance, empowering clients to take control of their credit and build a brighter financial future. They pride themselves on their customer service and dedication to helping clients navigate the often confusing world of credit reporting. By offering clear and concise explanations of the credit repair process, they aim to empower individuals to take control of their financial well-being. They also stress the importance of ongoing credit monitoring and responsible financial habits to maintain a healthy credit profile in the long run. Remedy Credit Repair emphasizes the potential benefits of improved credit, such as lower interest rates on loans, increased access to credit opportunities, and improved overall financial stability.